welcome back to my channel. I thought today I would do a little haul video of some recent sticker orders that I got in the mail and share those with you. And at the end of the video I will do a little giveaway, so stay tuned for that one. We will start with my Miscellany Boulevard order that I got in recently. Now this was my first order from her shop, and it's not going to be my last one. I really like her kits. She has different size TN kits, and it took me a little to see which would work best for me, because I have, if you've seen my last video, I am using one of her kits in this week, and that's a pocket field note size. And all the kits have different kind of boxes and things in it, and for me the field note size has the best boxes and everything in it that I use. So I ordered a few different sizes to see what would work for me. Now let's start with this one. This is, I think, the mint condition kit. This is an A6. I really love these colors, and I can't wait to use it. Then I got the fall or autumn critters, I think this is. They are so cute, like the little watercolor. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's so cute, the little fox. So I really love it. I mean, fall's, well, about like what, 6, 7, 8 months away, so I have to wait to use it, but it's really cute. And then I got the Fall in Love mini kit, which is also really gorgeous. I really like the colors. But like I said, the way it's built up, for me personally, I think the field notes or pocket size kits will work best, but I can make this work no problem. And then I got a B6 one, and this is the Sweet Winter mini kit, because this one has a ton of boxes, probably a little bit too much for me that I use in a week, so, but I wanted to see the different sizes. I do really like these colors. I say that of every kit, but I really do. And then I got, you see I already used some, I got a bunch of the functional boxes, because I don't really have a lot of boxes. So that was my Miscellany Boulevard order. Then I have, this is really is one of my all-time favorite shops. This is Stationery Wonderland, and I am massively in love with the way her kits are, the layout of her kits pretty much. The watercolor stuff that she uses, it's just gorgeous. So let me show you what I got. I got a bunch of samplers, Facebook freebies. If you are in her Facebook group, make sure to mention, I think it's something like Facebook crew or something. Just look it up on the Facebook group, but you get an extra freebie. So I got those. Then I got some minis. Now wait, let me zoom in. There we go. These are adorable. Look at the little penguins and the little bees. Oh, I love those. Let me see. This was the, because I got this one in the Travelers Limited sale. Sorry, I'm holding it upside down. So I got this freebie. And then I got a bunch of TN kits. These are the A6 ones. This is, oh wait, let me zoom out a bit again. Come on. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. I think the battery is almost empty. Anyway, this is the Bumblebee kit. I really love it. The yellow and the black of the bumblebees remind me a little bit of Hufflepuff. So I thought this would be cute to do sort of like a Hufflepuff kind of style week. And then I got the cute white foxes. I think this is gorgeous as a winter spread. So I'll probably use this very soon. And I got the cherry blossom one. Now I think I also have the mini kit of this one, so I'll probably have plenty of boxes to use. Let me see. And this is also, look at that cute adorable owl. I don't know if it's in focus, but it's so cute, little owlies. And I got, oh wait, I already put in my old samplers. This is the Lazy Sloth one. I just think that like the chocolate brown and the mint is gorgeous together. So I already had this in mini, but I already used it, so I figured I'd get another one because I really love it. And then I got a bunch of mini kits. The TN kits are new to her shop. I think she sells them in A6, B6, and possibly pocket. I think there are 3 sizes. She also has obviously full kits and mini kits. So I got a bunch of the mini kits. This is the Woodland Winter Mini Kit. I don't know if you can see that. Little birdies and owlies. And this is the mint, Woodland Mint Mini Kit. So basically the same but different colors. And I like these like light, soft water color feel colors. It's very easy to write on, but it makes your spreads look awesome. Then I got these little squirrel ones. I really like this one. It's really cute. And well, she had this one in her shop for a while. This is the meerkat mini one, and I think meerkats are one of my favorite animals. So I had to get it. I probably should have gotten it sooner, but I got it this time, and it's adorable. I think I will use it like during summer. We'll probably go to the zoo with the kids, and I'll probably use it then because it's so gorgeous. Then I got this penguin kit, so that goes with the penguin. Let me see, this sheet. Where is it? With the tiny, so I can decorate. It's gorgeous. And the koala bears. And last but not least, gorillas. Look at them cute little monkeys. There we go. Let me just put this aside. Oops, there goes my craft mat. And last but not least is actually an order I got in today. I ordered it a while back. I think it might even have been the Black Friday sale, I'm not completely sure. But the processing time on the shop was, I think, almost 2 months, which I knew, by the way, when I ordered, so it's not a problem, but it took a while to get here. It's not the complete order because there was something in this order that I might have ordered for some planner friends, so I'm not showing you that because they haven't seen it yet. But I wanted to show you this. I bought some vellum, obviously Harry Potter related. I love, how gorgeous is this? This is like Hogwarts. It's so cool. I really can't wait to use this in my TN. And this is the Deathly Hallows sign, front and back. And I got a Hufflepuff one. The front has the crest, and on the back it has, oh, you can't really see, I think you can see better like this. It has badgers. I love it, so can't wait to use those. Then I got a whole bunch of die cuts, and I haven't opened these yet, so let's do that on camera. I can find, there we go. I got the Hogwarts kit. This is the crest, the badger, some potions, a little Hogwarts letter, a little broom, some butterbeer, some books, and a scarf. And I got this one as well. I'm not quite sure which one this is or what the name is of the set, but let me see. We got a little Hermione, and like my favorite character of Harry Potter, Professor McGonagall. I love her sass. And we got Harry, and we got, I think might be Cho. She Ravenclaw? I'm not sure. I'm a bad Harry Potter fan. Let's see. I guess this is Hermione as well. I'm not quite sure if they actually have like names. This probably is Cedric. And we got Draco, I think it is. Okay, so that was my recent orders. Now, like I said, I will do a giveaway at the end of the video, and we kind of gotten to the end. So when I ordered my Stationery Wonderland stickers, I kind of forgot I already had one of the kits. So I will be giving away this adorable penguin mini kit. There we go. Please. So what you need to do to, oh wait, let me zoom out a little bit more. There we go. So what you need to do to win this kit is leave a comment below and tell me what your favorite kit of her shop is. So her shop is Printable Wonderland, Stationery and Printable Wonderland, sorry. And it's in, I'll leave the link down below so you can have a look and tell me what your favorite sticker sheet or kit or anything really in her shop is. She also sells printable inserts and magnetic bookmarks, and I will pick a winner. I will leave all the details down below because I'm not quite sure when I upload this video, so I will leave the dates and everything down below. So yeah, if you want to win it, check out all the details and I will pick someone and you will win this awesome kit. So I'd like to thank you for watching and hopefully I'll see you soon. Have a great day!